Introducing the innovative SKF Scotseal X-Treme, setting a new benchmark in oil bath seals for heavy-duty truck and trailer wheel ends. It helps deliver better fuel economy and lower emissions, and offers unparalleled performance and the longest life. An oil bath seal is a vital part of the heavy-duty truck and trailer wheel end system. Its purpose is to keep the oil in and the environment out of a wheel hub, while maintaining reliability and not adding to power loss.
What we've seen over the last 5 years is an acceleration of the demand from the market and our customers. For example, the highway speeds are increasing. Customers are requiring longer uptime of their vehicles. Safety regulations are driving change to the architecture like disc brakes. So we had to adjust and accelerate with them as well.
Our goal was to create a game changer in the marketplace, basically a hub system that would last the life of a truck or trailer. SKF was the only seal provider that stood behind us and supported that effort with their X-Treme seal technology.
There are 3 things we did to address the concerns. 1, we modified the lip geometry to make it much more efficient and cooler, resulting in a patent pending. We resulted in a compound, right, much more efficient and effective, runs cooler, better pumping capability. And lastly, we used and made more efficient our patented and unique wave seal design, resulting in a 25 to 30% reduction in temperature and a 45 to 50% reduction in torque.
SKF X-Treme seal technology significantly reduces the operating or dynamic friction of the seal. It also eliminates the likelihood of seal damage during installation, at the same time improving the oil pumping ability of the seal. All of that while improving the sealability and life of the seal.
Scotseal X-Treme enables improved operating hours, reduces unscheduled maintenance, because it just simply works. The product performs to our customers' expectations.
The SKF Scotseal X-Treme is the seal that changes the rules of the game by providing increased reliability, longer service life, better fuel economy, and lower cost of operation for truck and trailer fleet owner-operators. Small performance improvements are product evolutions. Off-the-charts improvements are product innovations. The innovative SKF Scotseal X-Treme. It's simply the best performing oil bath seal for heavy-duty truck and trailer wheel ends ever.